G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing the Google Home Mini unboxing and quick setup. So we're going to give it a go, we're going to try and set it up, see how many dramas I have with it, but I've been looking forward to this. But to be honest with you all, in Australia these were $80 each, yet they were selling in America for $20 each. So as a protest I said, F you to Google, I'm not buying it. So someone actually bought this for me and sent it to me, a friend of mine, and I really appreciate it. So I'm going to do my best at reviewing and seeing how this sets up. So let's check out the Google Home Mini. Alright, so we've got Google Home Mini charcoal colour. Now I currently use the Samsung Galaxy S8 as my daily driver. So I'll be using that to set this up. Right, so opens up like this, and there we have our little charcoal coloured donut, and that's what I'm going to be setting up. I'm actually a little bit excited about this, to be honest with you. Then in the box you get, let's get started, and then in here you get your cord, your charging brick, or your power brick I should say, which looks pretty cool. Looks rather Google-ish. And then your micro USB connection port. On the donut itself, you've got your spot there where you put your USB in, your mute microphone button, rubber plate, rubber pad on the bottom there to stop movement, which feels pretty grippy, and then that fabricy feeling on top of the device itself. So looks pretty cool. Looks like every other million that I've seen on YouTube being unboxed and set up. Quick double check. Nothing else in there. On the box, small and mighty, Google Home Mini is powered by the Google Assistant. Ask it questions, tell it to do things. It's never been easier to get hands-free help in any room. Box gone. Here's the instructions. Let's get started. Get to know your Google Home Mini and be safe. I do have the Google Home application set up on my phone, and we'll go to that. And luckily I had this on standby, ready to go. So the cord's about 1.5 meters, about 1.5 meters long. USB port plugged in. You can see 2 dots come on straight away. Looks like it's powering on, setting up. One device found. Set up.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Done that. You can see the lights flashing on the donut, and it's connecting to Google Home Mini. Your phone may disconnect from Wi-Fi during setup. Connected. Yes, I heard a sound. Where is the device? Choose a location that will help you organise your devices. So I'm going to put this in the dining room, even though right now I'm not in the dining room. Next. Choose the Wi-Fi network. Yes, that's the one I want. Use this Wi-Fi network to set up future devices. Okay. Connecting. Your speaker has the Google Assistant built in. Simply say, "Hey Google," to get answers, enjoy music, control your smart home and more. Next. This is pretty basic. Pretty seamless experience so far. Get personal results with Voice Match. Voice Match lets your assistant recognize your voice and use it to access your personal results, like calendar, based on your Google account. Set up. Okay Google. Okay Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Again, pretty seamless experience. Google Home can use your personal info to assist you. Anyone in speaking range can access this info. Allow. YouTube Music, Google Play Music. Yes. Continue. Downloading update. As time goes on, I'm going to build upon this. I would like to get some lights set up, a couple more speakers. And see how far I really can push this home automation and assistant stuff. Also going to get a ring bell, a doorbell with video on it for the front door.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay Google, what's the weather like in Goodna today?
Today in Goodna, there'll be scattered thunderstorms, with a forecast high of 29 and a low of 19 degrees Celsius. It's currently 28 and mostly cloudy.
Okay Google, tell me about my day.
Hello, CW. The time is 9:20 a.m. Right now in Goodna it's 28 and mostly cloudy. Today there'll be scattered thunderstorms, with a forecast high of 29 and a low of 19.
Okay Google, stop. That is pretty cool. It went to my news feed and started playing the news I'm interested in. So not all stuff about massacres and World War III and all that sort of thing. Stuff about technology. Love that. Good work Google. So we got some other stuff here. Touch controls. I've made some updates. Let's learn about that. So you tap on one side to get the volume down, on the other side to get the volume up. So you can pause it, long press on either side of the Mini. Love that. Stop on ringing alarm, tap either side of the Mini. Turn the volume up, tap one side, turn the volume down, tap the other. Turn the mic on or off with the mic button. There. Press and hold the FDR button located below the power cable on the bottom of the Mini to reset it. Which
version
is
of Android. Nokia announced it
there.
quote, initiated a review of strategic options for...
I'm actually really impressed with the sound. I'm really impressed with the technology. I'm going to be playing with this for ages. Let's get into it. That's it for the Google Home Mini unboxing quick setup. I'll be back soon with more Google Home Mini videos. Let me know if you want to see anything in particular. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.